Are you struggling to download files, photos, or videos from Telegram channels that block downloads or restrict access? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple workaround that really works, no need for risky third-party software or complicated hacks. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to capture videos and images from secured or blocked Telegram channels safely and quickly using tools that are already built into your computer. Let's dive right in. Sometimes joining a Telegram channel gets you access to some great content, but you quickly find out you can't download or save files because the channel owner has restricted downloads. Don't let that stop you. Instead of getting stuck, the trick is to use screen capture tools, and most devices have these built in ready to go. Let's start with videos. If there's a video in the Telegram channel you want to save, you can use a screen recording tool to capture it exactly as it plays on your screen. For example, on Windows, there's the Xbox game bar. You can pull it up quickly by pressing Windows plus G on Mac. You've got QuickTime Player, which lets you record any part of your screen. And if you want more control, there are lots of free third-party apps out there like OBS Studio or ScreenRec. When you start the screen recording, play the Telegram video in full. Make sure it's set to the highest quality available. You might want to go full screen if the video allows it, so you record the largest, clearest version. Then just wait as it plays and let your recording software do all the work. If you're worried about notifications popping up and ruining your recording, you can quickly turn on Do Not Disturb or disable alerts while recording. And remember, this part might take a few moments, especially if the video is long, so don't worry if it seems slow. Now, what about images? Maybe it's a photo, a static file, or even a screenshot someone shared in the channel. This is just as straightforward. On Windows, you've got tools like Snipping Tool or Snip in Sketch. These let you select exactly the part of the screen you want to capture, so you get a clean image without all the extra clutter. A quick tip, press Windows plus Shift plus S and your screen will dim slightly, just drag to highlight the area. On Mac, you can press Shift plus Command plus 4, then click and drag to capture your selection. If the image is very important, try zooming in for better clarity before you take the screenshot. For documents or multi-page images, you can scroll through and take multiple screenshots, so nothing is missed. The beauty of these methods is that you don't need to install anything risky or give your account details to shady websites. Screen capturing lets you save whatever you see instantly, and it works for nearly all types of media. It's like using a camera to photograph a beautiful painting through a window. You're capturing what's visible to you, even if you can't physically take the painting home. Sometimes, if you're capturing a video, you'll want to trim the recording afterward to remove extra bits at the start or finish. Windows Photos and Mac's QuickTime both have simple editing tools for this. And don't worry if your first try isn't perfect. You can always re-record or recapture until you get exactly the shot you need. That's really all there is to it, a straightforward, foolproof way to bypass download restrictions on Telegram channels, using tools you already have. If you learned something new today, please hit that thumbs up button to support the channel and feel free to drop any questions in the comments. I always try to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.